The 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is the best model to buy used. And here's the reason why it's the best model to buy used. First of all, it's the only model that doesn't have any issues like the newer models do. That makes a big difference, folks, and that's a good reason to buy it used. It's the best used model, and it's considered the best used due to its reliability and features. Now, it includes 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, and various safety and comfort features. Now, reliability, the 2020 model has fewer recalls compared to the newer models, so therefore it's more reliable. Maintenance common issues include rough running engine, but overall, it has fewer problems than the newer model. The 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee comes equipped with a variety of safety features designed to enhance the driver and passenger protection. Now, here are some of the key safety features. Anti-lock brakes. Now, these brakes automatically sense when the tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking and modulate the brake pressure to allow the tires to rotate, increasing the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. The stability control. Now, this system automatically senses when the vehicle handling limits have been exceeded and reduces the engine power, or applies the select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. And airbags. Now, the vehicle includes front impact airbags for the driver and passenger side impact. And you have side impact airbags for the front seats and overhead airbags for side collisions or rollovers, and knee airbags to protect the lower extremities. Seatbelt pretensioners. Now, these automatically tighten the seatbelts to place the occupant in the optimal sitting position during a collision. And you also have anti-whiplash head restraints. Now, these actively react to rear collision forces to cradle the occupant's head to reduce the likelihood of whiplash. And you have blind spot monitoring. Now, this system alerts you when the vehicle is traveling in your blind spot. And then you have the rear cross path detection. Now, when you're backing up, this helps you detect the vehicles approaching from either side of the vehicle, and it applies the brakes if necessary. And then you have full speed forward collision warning with active braking. Now, this system warns the driver of potential frontal collision and can automatically apply the brakes if necessary. And you also have lane departure warning system. And this system alerts the driver if the vehicle begins to drift out of his lane without signaling. Now, this will help you if you're drinking and driving, which you never should be, but this system does kick in to make sure that you stay in your correct lane. Now, these features contribute to the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee strong safety performance, providing a peace of mind for the driver and passengers. Now, the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee offers a range of entertainment features to keep you, the driver, and the passengers engaged. Now, here's some of the features. You have the Uconnect system, and then the Uconnect System 4, which includes a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated voice commands, and Bluetooth steering audio, which means you have the controls on your steering wheel. You have the Sirius XM, which you also get when it's new. You get a 12-month trial of Sirius XM. But when it's used, you can just go ahead and buy it. And sometimes they will give you like a trial. You just have to call and tell them you want the trial, and they normally give it to you. And you also have HD radio, which accepts digital signals transmitted over traditional radio frequencies for enhanced sound quality. You have wireless connectivity. You can stream music from your compatible smartphones without the need for cables, which is nice. You have the rear seat entertainment. It's available with Amazon Fire TV built in, now allowing the passenger to stream, download, and plug into their favorite movies, music, and games. Now, you have the vehicle Wi-Fi, which is built with the 4G Wi-Fi hotspot, provides fast and reliable internet access, keeping you connected even on the go. Now, these features ensure that every journey in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is enjoyable and entertaining for everyone aboard the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, as far as cargo space, the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee offers a blend of comfort and style and practicality. That's what I'm talking about here. The interior design, along with a decent amount of cargo space. Now, the Jeep Grand Cherokee provides 36.3 cubic feet of cargo space. Now, with the rear seats folded, you get 60-40 split rear seats, which expand the cargo area to 68.3 cubic feet. And this makes it versatile in carrying larger items such as luggage. On the interior design, the seating and comfort, the Grand Cherokee sits up to 5 passengers. Now it features comfortable, adult-friendly seating in both rows. Standard seating includes cloth upholstery, mainly adjustable front seats, while higher trims offer upholstery, power adjustable seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and heated rear seats. Now for the materials and finish, the interior quality varies by trim. Now you got higher trims like the Summit features luxurious leather and wood trim, while the SRT and the Trackhawk trims have sportier, heavily bolstered seats and performance-oriented features. Lower trims may have more basic materials, but still offer solid build quality, which is something that's extremely important. Now, technologies and features. The Grand Cherokee interior is equipped with the Uconnect infotainment system, which we talked about earlier, 7-inch touchscreens, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity. Higher trims offer additional, such as touchscreen navigation, premium audios, and a rear seat entertainment system. Overall, the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee interior is designed to provide comfortable and enjoyable driving experience, which is something which makes a big difference, folks. Now, as far as engines, the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee offers a variety of engines options to suit different performance needs. The 3.6-liter Pentester V6, the engine produces 295 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Now, it's standard on most trims and provide a good balance of power and efficiency. And then you have the 5.7 Hemi V8, which is available on higher trims. Now, this engine delivers 360 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque, offering stronger performance and increased towing capacities. And then you have the 6.4-liter SRT V8, found in the high-performance SRT trims. Now, this engine generates 475 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, making it the idea for those seeking a more thrilling and driving experience. And then you have the 6.2-liter supercharged Trackhawk. Now, this powerhouse engine is exclusive to the Trackhawk trims, producing an impressive 707 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. Now, these engines provide a range of performance and capabilities from efficiency to daily driving to off-roading and towing. This is just some awesome stuff. Awesome feature. Now, we're talking about towing. Now, the 3.6 liter Pentester V6 can tow up to 6,200 pounds, while the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 can tow up to 7,200, and the 6.2-liter supercharger is still 7,200. So this is the towing capacity of these vehicles. That is something awesome, folks. Something awesome. Let's look and see how will this handle in different road conditions. Let's check that out. Let's see. The 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is regarded for its off-road capabilities, making it a solid choice for adventurous driving. Now, here are some of the key features that enhance the performance of the off-road conditions. Now, you have the quadro-lift air suspension system. Now, this system allows the vehicle to adjust its ride height for better ground clearance when off-roading and improve aerodynamics on highways. It's available on trims like Overland Summit, Limited, and Trailhawk. And you have the four-wheel drive system. Now, the Grand Cherokee offers four-wheel drive systems, including the Quadra-Track. Now, the Quadra-Track 2 and the Quadra-Track 2 and the Quadra-Track Active On Demand Now, these systems provide superior traction and control in various off-road conditions. You have select terrain and select traction management system. Now, these systems allow the driver to choose from different modes such as snow, sand, mud, and rocks to optimize the vehicle performance based on the terrain. Now, the Trailhawk trim, specifically designed for off-roading, the Trailhawk trim includes features like standard four-wheel drive with a low-range gearing, off-road tires, an electronic limited slip differential, and a quadrilift adjustable air suspension. You also have skid plates and tow hooks. Now, these features provide additional protection and utility when navigating rough terrains. Now, overall, the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is equipped to handle a variety of off-road challenges, making it versatile and capable SUV for those who enjoy exploring beyond the pavement, which is something awesome and something nice, folks. What an awesome vehicle. Now let's talk about the gas mileage. Let's look into that. Now, you can imagine the gas mileage for a vehicle like this. It's not going to be too great, but it'll probably be the best for the V6. Let's see. Now, the 2020 Grand Cherokee offers a range of fuel efficiency dependencies. I might just say, depending on the engine. Now, the 3.6 Pentester V6, combined miles per gallon is 21. Now, the city miles per gallon is 19, and the highway miles per gallon is 26. And the 3.6 liter Pentester V6 four-wheel drive combined is 21 miles per gallon, and the city is 18 miles, and the highway is 25 miles. And then you have the Hemi V8 all-wheel drive, which combined miles per gallon is 17, and the city is 14, and the highway is 22. And then you have the 6.4 liter SRT V8, which is 15 combined, 13 miles city, and 19 miles highway. And then you have the Trailhawk. Oh boy, oh boy. Now, combined is 13, and the city is 11, and the highway is 17. Now, these figures provide a good overall view of fuel efficiency that you can expect from the different engines for the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And even with this in mind, you still have something awesome about this vehicle. And this is why the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee is the best model to buy used. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.